Chonburi is a province of Thailand located in eastern Thailand. Its capital is also named Chonburi. Neighboring provinces are Chachoeing Sao, Chonburi, and Rayong, while the Gulf of Thailand is to the west. Pattaya, a major tourism destination in Thailand, is located in Chonburi, along with Laem Shabang, the country's primary seaport. The population of the province has grown rapidly and now totals 1.7 million residents. Although a large portion of the population is floating or unregistered, the registered population as of the 31st of December 2018 was 1.535 million. The word Chon originates from the Sanskrit word jal, jala meaning water, and the word buri from Sanskrit puri, puri meaning town or city. Hence the name of the province means city of water. Chonburi has been recognized since the Dwaravati period and during the reigns of the Khmer Empire and the Sukhothai Kingdom. Chonburi was initially only a small agricultural town and fishing community, but during the Ayutthaya Kingdom, Bangphrarwa, and Banglamung, although it was a small town, it enriched the natural resources both on land and at sea. Moreover, those in Chonburi contacted the Chinese sailors, who came to trade with Siam. Chonburi Province used to be an ancient community that used to be inhabited by Neolithic humans since prehistoric times. Because there had been archaeological excavations and found traces of the ancient prehistoric community in the Phan Thong River, which is in the area of Wat Khok Phanom D. Tha Kam Subdistrict, Phanat Nakhon District, it can be assumed that in the past, the area of Chonburi Province used to be home to three prosperous ancient cities: Pharaoh, Si Phalo and Phai Re. By the territory of these three cities together as Chonburi Province at present, which archaeological sites discovered in that time found valuable archaeological objects such as axes, polished stone, jewelry such as bracelets, beads, pottery using a string, and found the remains of seafood as well. It was made known that this area was much closer to the coast than today. All of the above-mentioned archaeological sites are part of the evidence that shows the long history of Chonburi Province. In the Ayutthaya period, Chonburi city appears as evidence in the feudal palace in 1376 as a provincial town. Until Ayutthaya was defeated by Burma in 1767, King Takzan passed through the area of Chonburi Province today, before hitting Chonburi and successfully returned the army to recover Ayutthaya. Later in the early Rattanakosin period, Chonburi Province has not been officially established. Chonburi Province consists of three major cities, namely Bang Plar Soi, Phanat Nakhon City and Banglamung. Later in Siamese Revolution of 1932, there has been a big change in the form of government, causing the county administrative system to be abolished by the Administrative Regulations of the Kingdom of Siam Act 1933 and has cancelled the city administrative area throughout the kingdom. Then set up a province, instead of making the city of Bang Plar Soi. Phanat Nakhon City and Banglamung and Chonburi became Chonburi Province, until now. The provincial seal shows the hill Khao Sam Mook, on which there is a sala with a statue of the goddess Chao May Sam Mook, who, it is believed, protects seafarers and the local population. The provincial tree and flower is the New Guinea rosewood. The provincial motto is beautiful beaches, delicious cow lamb, sweet sugar cane, delicate basketry products, and buffalo racing. The province is on the Bay of Bangkok, the northern end of the Gulf of Thailand. The Khao Khiao mountain range stretches from the northwest to the southeast of the province. The plains of the north were long used for farming. Laem Shabang, between Chonburi and Pattaya, is one of the few deep water harbors of Thailand. The total forest area is 551 square kilometers or 12.2% of provincial area. The provincial permanent legal population rose at nearly 4% annually, from 1,040,865 in 2000 to 1,554,365 in 2010. There is a large floating population of long-term non-Thai residents without permanent status, on a perpetual tourist visa and or migrant workers, as well as heavy, short-term tourist influxes. Religion in Chonburi. According to a 2015 survey, Around 97.87% of the population of Chonburi practices Buddhism, followed by Islam with 1.56% and Christianity with 0.60%. Chonburi Province consists of 11 districts. The local governments are overseen by the Pattaya City Special Local Government in Pattaya and The Chonburi Provincial Administrative Organization, and 35 subdistrict municipalities. Local communities are also overseen by 50 subdistrict administrative organizations. The Bangkok-Chonburi-Pattaya motorway is linked with Bangkok's outer ring road with another intersection at Sinak Haran and Rama IX junction. The Bang Na Trat highway from Bang Na travels through Bang Phli and crosses the Bang Pakong River into Chonburi. There is a Chonburi bypass that me